Okay, welcome to the part 2 of designing a castle. And now I want to design the door of the castle, so I can go back to the shape tool. And let me, you know what, I want the door to be exactly in the center. So I'm gonna search for the midpoint as we did with part number 1. Like we can use the line to divide our what do we call it, design for equal parts. Make sure that we have equal parts, which will help us in our design. I think this should be fine. So I don't need, I'm gonna use the eraser to erase this line and this line and this one and the middle one. Okay. For the castle, I want the door to have like an arc on the top. So I'll go to the arc tool. As I told you, we have different kinds of arc tool. So I can take the 2-point arc for this purpose. So I'm gonna click on the 2-point arc tool. To use this tool, I have to click on this point and I'm gonna move. I'm not clicking, I just clicked on the first one. And I am going to move to the other endpoint. And now we will click. Then I'm going to move up. I want the curve to be up. So I'm going to click like that. Let me repeat the step again. Command C. So I'm going to click on the first endpoint. Okay, and move to the other side, the other endpoint. Click on it, and then I will move. I want the direction of the arc to be this way. Okay, now we have two areas. I can use the eraser to merge between them. I have one door now here. To fix this step, I want this door to be opened. I don't want it to be closed. Then I will use the push-pull tool to open this door all the way, just push it all the way back. So I'm going to take the push-pull tool and I will click on the door and push it all the way back so I can have like a hole. Okay, if I follow the steps exactly like what I did, I don't think we will have a problem in having this effect at the end. Okay, I want to expand the land, the front, so I can have like some area to the front like that. So I think this should be fine. I can push this inside, or it's fine. It looks nice. We can have this for our castle. Okay. Now the next step, I want to have some windows there. Like I can go back again. As I told you before, we can divide this for some, I can have here some, what do we call it? I'll use the shape so we can have like a window. Let's have two windows, okay? So this is the first one and this is the second one, okay? I think this one is bigger than this one, so we'll change the view. There is a way to and so far they look like each other. I'm gonna delete this line and I can do something here. We can use the offset, or before using the offset tool, let me divide this for two equal parts. And before doing this, I'm gonna take I'll make this out. I'll make this also out so I can have them the same height. Not exactly, but I can push, when I push this inside, push this outside, Command C. So I can have the effect. I can push this away a little bit. Might work. Let me push this out. I think we needed to, like we can use the line later for having the exact size of windows. Okay, so let's divide. We can divide the inner area. No, I don't think it's correct. So I'll search for the midpoint, or let's leave this one. We can do like a balcony, or we can make like a bridge on the side. So I can take the line tool and we can divide this for 2 equal parts. I'm gonna click. You can like make here a rectangle. Later I can use push-pull tool to extrude this like that. And I can take the 2-point arc tool. Before doing this, I need to have, I'm gonna use the offset tool again. So I can have like a frame or something. I can use it for a frame later. And we can go back to the 2-point arc tool. To make like a door this way, and we can do this. I want to close this line. Let me first, yeah, I'm gonna take now the line tool. I want to close from here. I'll do the same thing here. I want to design the fence. Okay, now this one is not accurate. Yeah, I think this one should be fine. So I can delete this and I can delete this one. Okay. Let me do another arc tool from this to this one here. Okay, so I can have like a fence. I think like we were supposed to do a step before.